Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Bukola and you're welcome here. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you love what we do here. I film about skincare, YouTube tips, and as well lifestyle vlogs, so I know you're going to enjoy it, and make sure that you subscribe. And yeah, in today's video I am going to be answering a question that has to do with how PM and CPM. I'm going to give you of the tea that I know about it, and basically how you can increase your how PM and your CPM. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you stay tuned, and without further ado, let's just move straight into today. I'll read out the question and put it on the screen as well. I think this person is just starting out, and I'm just going to be explaining to you what I noticed and what I know about this particular thing. And the question is, my CPM is high but my payment is low. See, if you check your YouTube analytics, you will see something. Just go to your revenue, you will see something like RPM and CPM. Your CPM is the amount of money an advertiser, let's say I want to work on your channel today, this is the amount of money I am willing to pay you to show an ad on your channel. But this is not the amount of money that YouTube is going to be paying you, because YouTube as well need to make money. They need money as well, the same way you need money. So YouTube is going to be taking about 55% or 50% or 45%. So it's not always like a stable, there's not always stable percentage for YouTube, but it's always around that 55, 45 or 50%. So your CPM is not actually the money that you see in your AdSense account when you calculate it very well. The money you see in your AdSense account is actually your RPM. So if an advertiser is willing to pay about $10 on every advertisement that's been shown on your own channel, you are not going to be getting paid that same $10. You are going to be getting paid around $5, $4.5 or $5.5 in some cases. So if your CPM is low, it's going to be affecting your payment. So don't think that maybe because you have $10 in your CPM and then you now start calculating into the views you have, and you see that it's not matching up, and you're trying to like find a way to make it match up. You can do the calculation with your RPM. So RPM is the money YouTube is willing to pay you, and it's not as if maybe when you check your own analytics and you see that maybe you have $1,000, it's not as if from that $1,000 YouTube is going to take $500. No, even before the $1,000 get into your account, even before your money sums up to that, YouTube has removed their own cut already, and that's why your RPM is always there for you to see. So if you are getting paid lower than your CPM, I would like you to use your RPM to calculate your payment. So it is not as if something is wrong with your channel, because this person was actually thinking maybe something is wrong with our channel or whatever. But no, your CPM is not what you get paid. CPM is what an advertiser is willing to pay you on your channel, while RPM is your own cut from that money. So you don't expect you to give you 100% of that money. If you want a business as well and you start paying salary to your workers, you are not going to be giving them the total profit. You are going to give them a percentage of how much everybody is going to be earning. And majority of the time, CPM, a lot of things affect your CPM. One, countries where your viewers are coming from. And yes, majority of the time it is the country where your viewers are coming from. And majority of the time people don't start out with a very high CPM, because I experienced that on my channel as well. It is so rare to even see people who start out with $10 CPM if they are not in that financial luxury review tech niche. Those people can still start out with that CPM, because their CPM goes as high as $21, $30, $35. But if you're just a vlog channel, you are just a like beauty, all those things, your CPM might start out like $5 and $6. So you don't need to like worry yourself. As your YouTube start growing, same thing is going to apply to your own YouTube analytics. So if majority of your viewers are coming from countries that have low CPM, it's going to affect your CPM and your RPM. If you don't know, these top countries are countries that have the highest CPM, like United States, United Kingdom, Canada. I think United States and Canada are like 1 and 2. So if you have majority of your viewers coming from United States and Canada, trust me, your CPM is going to be high, because their CPM is very high. I think on a normal day, like just a normal video, a normal vlog, their CPM is always around $13 to $15. So if their CPM is around $13 to $15, then definitely your RPM is going to be around $7 to $8 or even $9 sometimes. So if you know that you are in a country whereby maybe your videos, you don't make your videos limited to a certain number of people. In fact, make your videos more available for English speaking countries, because it's going to help you increase your RPM and your CPM. If your CPM is high, definitely your RPM as well is going to be high. So whenever you're uploading whatever video you want to upload, go into your details of every video and always change the language, the subtitle to English. This is going to make your video more available for countries, for English speaking countries. And these countries has high CPM like United States and Canada, so they're going to have like advertisements shown on your page that are going to be paying you very high amount of money. So this is how CPM and how PM work. And especially if you're in Nigeria like me, because majority of my viewers are in Nigeria, I just want to break it to you that Nigeria CPM is very, very low. Nigeria CPM is around $1.87. It's not even up to $2. So majority of the time, make sure you change your title, your subtitle to English as well. So if majority of your viewers are coming from countries that has higher CPM, you don't even have to stress yourself, because automatically you have a high CPM and definitely you have a high RPM, and definitely your payment is going to be high. So if you're calculating your payment with your CPM, that is very wrong. You have to calculate your payment with your RPM. I hope I've been able to answer this question, because you can watch more videos as well explaining more on this particular thing. But your RPM is actually the money that goes into your own account. It's actually the money that YouTube is paying you after they above their cuts, and whatever money shows in your account, in your analytics, is your own money. YouTube is not removing any cuts from that money again. They have removed their own even before showing you. So don't even stress yourself. Don't think about it. So I hope I've been able to answer this question very well. And thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you always get notified anytime I drop new videos. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.